Hi guys, my name is Dr. Rehman. I'm an implant dentist here in 3Dental. I work in the 3Dental clinics based in Red Cow and Aungier Street. The procedures I provide are single implants, implant bridges and full arch implants, but I also provide bone grafting and soft tissue surgery. Patients come to us when they have broken teeth that are beyond repair, missing teeth or whole sets of teeth that are affected by gum disease and are no longer salvageable. Patients at this point have very low self-confidence, have difficulty eating. A lot of times they're in pain and they feel embarrassed about their smile. After implant treatment, patients are overjoyed. Number one, they have a tooth again. Number two, it's a tooth that looks normal. And number three, it feels like a natural tooth. What I really love about providing this treatment is being able to provide a very precise result for the patient that's very long-lasting and aesthetic. It's great to see people smiling afterwards and feeling confident in themselves. The biggest barrier for patients coming in for a consultation is the perceived notion that they're going to be in a lot of pain during the surgery appointment. Nowadays, with modern techniques and modern equipment, we are able to provide good local anesthesia, and for very anxious patients, IV sedation that completely takes the pain out of the process. If you're interested in a dental implant consultation at 3Dental, the easiest way is to book online at 3dental.ie. Alternatively, you can email us or you can send us a message.